Guys, today I want to flash Infinix Hot 8 and the model main name is X650C. I have already opened my SP flash tool and also we have to bypass tool for the bypassing this one because it need bypass. So I have a tool for bypassing this one. So first we have to bypass it after we can flash. And these our device manager will check the port here and you know very well we have to need for bypassing and flashing in bro mode. So first I want to flash on the bypass tool, and also if you want to flash, so first you have untick the preloader always. Everyone, while you have flashing, always untick the preloader. Now next we have to connect our phone. Click on disable auth, connect your battery from the battery connector, and press volume up and down and click and disable auth. It's getting port ROM fail, so disconnect cable. And now again connect from volume up and down and connect, press volume up and down for the making connectivity and check port. So it's again getting a failed restart program. So you have to switch on your phone and again try. If same issue, you can disconnect battery and again connect battery and connect volume up and down. First click on disable auth and now connect, press volume up and down and connect USB cable. Now it's going to flash. So it's flashing is going on. T2 window. Now it is flashing on window. Yeah, now last one, second last one is system file, and it's up to 3 or 4 GB. So now it is taking a time. So you can flash on this method on any MediaTek phone, like scatter file supported here. So you can flash by MT out. You can bypass with MTK out bypass tool, and you can flash on smartphone flash tool. That is short. You can call SP flash tool, and the high speed is 36.2. Oh, so its speed is 36 MB, and almost it's completed 1.3 GB, and it is a 42%. That means it's maybe 3 point something GB. Okay, and now it's a port making on device manager. You can check on the device manager port MediaTek USB port 1633 COM port 9, and the flashing is going on 56%, and the size is 2 GB almost completed, and the percentage is 65 plus, and MediaTek COM port 9. And always you can flash with download tab. Always click on download only. Do not click on format plus all download. If you click on format plus all download, so you can erase all security file, also MMC file. So don't we use format plus all download. Always you can take download only. You can flash on SP flash tool with untick the preloader. If you want to any flash, you can. If your phone is hang on logo or any corrupted device corrupted, so always you can untick preloader first after you can flash. So our system is complete. It now it's getting error image secure type mismatch on TKV. Don't worry. Now untick your TKV and almost you are completed the all those things. So untick all those one and click on your trans and user data and reconnect again your phone. So remove USB cable and connect USB cable and check port. So it's done. Now click on download button. Port is here. It also getting information on trans. So untick the trans and only you can flash with user data. Now again disable the auth. Remove cable and connect USB cable again. It's done. Click on download button. Now it's done. So you can flash of this one phone like this one. Now remove the cable and switch on your phone. So it is a process you can flash on your handset of any MediaTek. Thank you very much for the watching.